everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Phyllis, and here on my channel I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill, thrift hauls, and more. And if this is your first time stopping by, thank you, and please consider subscribing. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, and I would love to read your comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. In today's video, I am participating in the Easter tier tray collaboration. And this is being hosted by Penny of At Penny's Place. She has a beautiful channel and beautiful items to share. If you'd like to see what she has on her channel, I will make sure to leave her channel link in the description box below, along with the participants playlist. For my tier tray, I found some inspiration on Pinterest. This tray and this tray have the beading trim, which I love, and some of the decor pieces. Well, on last week, I uploaded how I created my tier tray, and it's the one in the middle, using these two trays on the side as inspiration. In this video, I will be showing you how I styled it out, but first, I'd like to share with you how I created my own moss birds using 2 Christmas tree ornaments. So if you'd like to see how I put this together, then just keep watching. This is the Christmas tree ornament that I used. I removed the top part where the string hangs, and you can see, and I also used a glue stick. You can see the moss shavings there. Here I already created one. Later on in the video, you'll see I decided to cover the tail as well. But this is the first one I made, and the shavings is just from me trimming it to follow the shape of the bird so it wouldn't look like a ball. And to keep it looking like a bird, I left the beak sticking out and the tail, but again, I'm going to end up covering the tail. So here I take some moss that I already had from an old DIY, and I'm just kind of pulling out some of the moss that I can use on the ornament. Here I put the hot glue, and I just start putting the moss on the ornament. After I got it fully covered, and I started pressing the moss on there up against the glue. And once I got it done, this was a very messy job, or messy DIY, and I also burnt my fingers so many times. But here, after I got done, I started kind of pressing in so the beak can stick out. And then once I got it pressed in where it could stay on, and after the glue cooled off, I just took my scissors and I just started trimming the bird, trimming all of the excess pieces that is sticking out to form my moss bird. I sealed the moss on the little birds that were Christmas tree ornaments using this clear gloss. It seals, protects, and revitalizes. And these are eggs that, they were real eggs. I put the little hole in them and drained the yolk out of them, and I cleaned them out and just kept them. And I'm going to see how I can incorporate them in my spring tier tray decor. Okay, I also want to share this bunny I purchased for $6.99 when I was in Jacksonville last summer, and I think I broke its little tail when I packed it. So what I'm doing is I got some cotton here, and this is going to be Peter Cottontail. Just going to push it into the hole. I can get it in there and just form it. I don't want to glue it in there. And of course I'm going to shape it a little better than that. But That's how I'm going to fix him up. But I'm going to incorporate him on here too. This raffia came on here like that. It's raffia tie. But I'm going to incorporate him too as well. I'm thinking as I put this tier tray together, so I have no clue of what it's going to look like right now, but we're doing this together. Now here I've put my tray together. Again, this is from the video that I uploaded over a week ago where I was viewing my tray, but I just set my bird and the rabbit just to see what it was going to look like. Again, this is the inspirations that I took from these two trays because of the beaded trimming and the colors and some of the decor pieces they had, I already had in my home. And now my styled out tray for spring. I want to thank you all for stopping by. so much for watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.